Just a quick little video because I have really big news that I want to share with you. Tomorrow I'm launching my new American Client Magnet program, and it's a program that I'm the most excited about creating for a very long time. Just because it's really the fruit of several years of one-on-one coaching on this subject with clients, dozens of interviews with foreign entrepreneurs already established in the American market, plus those who have ambitions to be and had lots of questions that we'll answer in the course. And it's also because it's a subject that I'm just really passionate about, which is how to help foreign talent shine in the American market at its true value. So what is American Client Magnet? It's my system that revolutionizes your activity on LinkedIn in 2 hours a day so that you can land 10 meetings with US contacts in just 6 weeks. Now, who is it for? It's for entrepreneurs, founders, solopreneurs, and business developers who are aiming for the US market to win customers and experience more growth in 2024. And tomorrow at 12 p.m. CET, 6 a.m. EST, registration opens for this course. So stay tuned. It's going to be big. It's going to be exciting. And I cannot wait to share that with you.